To send an ACH payment through QuickBooks 2025, follow these steps. First, ensure you have set up your bank account and enabled ACH payments in QuickBooks. This involves going to the Company menu, selecting My Company, and clicking on the bank feed settings to confirm that your account is connected and ACH payments are enabled. Next, navigate to the Vendors menu and select the vendor you wish to pay. Click on the Pay Bills option and choose the bills you want to pay using ACH. Verify the payment method is set to ACH and the bank account is correct. Then, review the payment details to ensure accuracy, including the payment date, amount, and vendor information. You can also add a memo to the payment for your records. After reviewing the payment details, click on the Pay button to proceed with the ACH payment. QuickBooks will then prompt you to confirm the payment, at which point you should review the payment details again to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, the ACH payment will be processed and sent to the vendor. It is essential to note that ACH payments typically take a few business days to process, so plan accordingly to ensure timely payment. Best practices for sending ACH payments through QuickBooks include regularly reviewing your account settings and payment details to prevent errors. Additionally, consider setting up payment reminders and notifications to stay on top of your payments and avoid late fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently send ACH payments through QuickBooks 2025 and streamline your accounts payable process. This helps maintain accurate financial records and strengthens relationships with your vendors.